Let's talk about how to trade crypto professionally on Phemex, one of the most favored cryptocurrency futures platforms out there, where you can not only execute derivatives, you can also do some spot trading with precision. You can manage your risk using institutional grade frameworks, and of course structure your capital allocation across different strategies, while also building that repeatable system that you can scale over time. So the institutional mindset when it comes to trading is obviously when you look at retail traders, in fact, they do focus on entries and signals and short-term gains, while institutional traders focus more on capital preservation and risk-adjusted returns, also consistency and execution quality. And Phemex is one of those platforms that really offers you quite a lot of benefits, and they always have a lot of trading competitions and things of that nature that really gets traders excited. If you want to get started on Phemex, the link is in the description, so you can get all the cool rebates, free discounts, and all cool features from using our affiliate link. Of course, you just need to set up properly, create an account, and make sure you secure that account with 2FA, and just start getting used to the interface and explore all the available markets. And then you can maybe fund your account if you want, maybe use a common base asset like USDT, because it kind of just simplifies your risk management and also how you track your portfolio and just your trade execution. And then you can check out the spot and derivatives market if you want to buy and hold, of course, a lower risk plays, long-term positioning. You can use the spot feature, but of course, if you're somebody who's there to do leverage trading, longing and shorting, using leverage and profiting from that volatility, then you want to try the futures products. And all the institutional concepts obviously still apply. You just need to understand liquidation, leverage, and funding rates, etc. And when it comes to the actual execution on the platform, you can do market orders if you need speed, limit orders, if you want to be very precise, and stop orders, if you want to risk manage more effectively, and you have those breakout strategies. And execution strategy is pretty simple. You can scale into positions, scale out of any positions, and also make sure you're avoiding going all in on certain plays, right? So the institutional rules are still, like I said, the ones you should stick to, making sure you manage the risk per trade. 1 to 2% is definitely in the region of what is typically acceptable, defining making sure you're also setting your stop losses, etc., and the position sizing as well, right? So that's what matters when you're trading. But of course, Phemex as a platform itself, it allows you to effect any kind of strategies that you want. If you want trend following, mean reversion strategies, breakout trading, you can all do that, in really good analysis and data tools as well. Charting, you can use trading view indicators and alerts, and all the institutional signals. They really have a platform that allows you to trade very nicely. So if you want to get started with Phemex, like I said, check out the link in the description. Of course, you can also see the full review of the platform and the step-by-step guide. I've linked it down below, so you can get a lot more information that I'll be able to cover in this video. And you can also use it as just part of a larger stack of exchanges that you use. You might want to use alternatives for certain things, but this is a very solid crypto trading platform when it comes to futures and derivatives. All you need to do is make sure you just don't over leverage, and you know the system, you manage your emotions, and you have all the risk frameworks to a T. And I also have a kind of a 30-day institutional upgrade plan in the link in the description to the full guide that I've laid out how you can execute, and a lot more FAQs on Phemex as well. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.